Hi, this is Matt from BuyJumpRopes.net. Today we have a jump rope review of the Survival and Cross Premium Jump Rope. This rope comes with a 10-foot cord, which is 3/32 of an inch. It's coated with PVC. PVC cord is known to kink easily. It is very flexible, but it wears rather quickly. Instead, you should be looking for a USA made type nylon coated cord. It comes with two handles that are about 4 to 5 inches long, and they're just standard handles. They're fine. It has a bearing inside, and give it the spin test, and it spins for a couple seconds. So it's a real low level ball bearing inside. The way to adjust this rope has thumb screws on it, so you take your thumb and give it a spin and move it up or down. Thumb screws are fine. They do tend to come loose once in a while, so you have to check on them every time you use it. These ones are rather large, so it's a little bulky. My recommendation for this jump rope is a thumbs down. Unfortunately, the handles are nothing special. The cord is lower than quality. It would turn fine for a very beginner double under beginner at CrossFit, but there are many other ropes that I would recommend more highly than this. This is a typical rope you would find on the market, and I think a consumer would do much better choosing a higher quality rope. Something that has a higher quality ball bearing, higher quality cable, and adjustable system. Well, thanks very much. This is Matt from BuyJumpRopes.net.